Installing and connecting. The first step is to install RioDB. Your system must have JDK17 installed in order to run RioDB. If you haven't done this yet, please pause this tutorial and get JDK17 before proceeding. The next step is to extract the RioDB download file. If using Windows, you should have a zip file. If using Linux or Mac, you should have a tar file. Extract the file to a location of your choice. In this tutorial, we will use the simplest method to execute RioDB. In Windows, simply execute the riodb.batch file. In Linux or Mac, it will be the riodb.sh file. In a different chapter of this tutorial, we will show how to configure RioDB to run as a systemd service in Linux. Once RioDB starts, by default, it will be listening on port number 2333. This is the port number that we will use when sending commands to RioDB. There are different ways to send commands to RioDB. In this tutorial, we will use a REST client such as Postman, Bruno, or Insomnia. I have Insomnia configured to post an HTTPS request to my localhost at port number 2333. I have also set the initial credentials for this connection, using the username admin and the default password. As I send an empty command, you can see that RioDB responds acknowledging the request. Now I can type commands, such as system status. Each command has to be terminated with a semicolon. By default, the payload is sent as plain text, and RioDB responds in application JSON format. We will use this setup throughout the remainder of this quick start guide.